Good morning everyone, my name is Nitin and today we are going to solve some more questions of chapter Polynomial. So our first question of today's class is going to be, what is 3a plus 7's cube? So we are going to apply the formula here, that is a plus b's whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is, our a here is 3a and our b here is 7. So write 3a in place of a of the formulas, that is 3a's cube plus 7's cube plus 3 into a square is, that is 3a square into b, that is 7, plus 3 into a, that is 3a, and 7 square. Any doubt? Now let us move forward, that is 3 square is 27 into a square. 3a's cube is, the cube of 3 is 27 and the cube of a is a cube. 7 cube is 343 plus, look here, 3, firstly we have to solve this bracket, that is 3 into 7 is 21 multiply by 3 square is 9 into a square plus, look here, 3 into 3 is 6a multiply by 7 square, that is equal to 49. It is 27a cube plus 343 plus, it is going to be 189 a square plus 6 into 49 is 54, 4, 5 here, 6, 294 into a. This is going to be our answer. Any doubt? Now let us solve one more example here. That is, what if someone has given us to calculate or simplify 3y minus 1's cube. We are going to apply the formula a minus b's cube here, that is going to be equal to a cube minus b cube plus, minus here, 3a square b plus 3ab square. Let us apply this. Here a is 3y and b is 1. 3y's whole cube minus 1's whole cube minus 3 into a, that is 3y square into 1 plus 3 into a, that is 3y into b square. 3 cube is 27, y cube minus 1 cube is 1 minus 3 into 3 square is 9 and y square is y square into 1 will remain this answer as 9y square plus 3 into 3 is 9y and 1 square is 1. Here the answer will be 27y cube minus 1 minus 27y square and plus 9y. Any doubt? What if someone has asked about to find the value of 99 cube? How we are going to solve this? Or for an example, let us say 105's cube, find the answer of it. We are going to solve this answer with the help of formula. Which formula? That is a plus b's whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is, you can write 105 as 100 plus 5. That approximate this answer to the nearest 10 values, that is 100 plus 5. So apply the formula here of cube. So you will get x here is equal, not x, a here is 100 and b here is 5. We are going to apply the formula, that is a cube plus b cube, 5 cube plus 3 into a square, that is 100 square into b plus 3 into a plus b square, that is 5 square. Look here, the cube of 100 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros, that is equal to 1 lakh. No, sorry, 10 lakh. Plus 5 cube is 125. Plus 3 into 5 is 15. 1, 5. Multiply by 100 square is 10,000. Plus 3 into 100 is 300. Multiply by 5 square, that is equal to 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 125 plus 15 into 10,000 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1,50,000. Plus 300 into 25 is 7,500. Now add these all values. You will get 25 at last. Then 516. Then 3, 4 is here. 7, 5, 1, 1. That is the answer of it. Any doubt? Now, what if someone has asked you about to find the cube of 99? Then you can write 99 as 100 minus 1's whole cube. Now you are going to apply a minus b's whole cube formula here. It will be a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. So it will be 100's cube minus a here is 100 and b here is 1. 100's cube, 1 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1's square. The cube of 100 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus cube of 1 is 1. 3 into 100 square, that is 10,000 plus 3 into 100 is 300. Yes or no? So our answer will be 10 lakh minus 1 minus 30,000 plus 300. And add these two numbers, you will get 30,001 plus 300. Solve these two numbers, adding 300 in 30,001, you will get 29,701. After subtracting these two values, you will get what you will get 99,701. After minus here, you will get 299, and here after subtracting 29 from 99, you will get 70. So your answer is going to be 99,70,299. Any doubt? Sorry. Here it is going to be 9. The answer will be 9,70,299. Any doubt? Now moving forward. What if someone has given you 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square and said you to find the factors of it or factorize it. So you have to do what? Just take the first two number of it in which the cube is there. Now whose cube is 8? Your answer will be 2, and a is going to be written as it is, cube, plus write the second term, that is p's whole cube. Write the third and fourth term as it is, that is a square b plus 6ab square. Just look at first two terms, that is 2a, sign in between them is plus b, and write the cube of it. What if someone has given the value that is 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135a plus 225 a square. How we are going to solve this? Whose cube is 27? That is 3's cube, minus whose cube is 125? That is 5a whole cube. Write the third and fourth term as it is. Now look at these two numbers. Write the first term, write the sign between them, that is minus, write the second term, that is 5a, and its whole cube. It is going to be our answer. Any doubt? Now let us solve one more difficult example of it. What if someone has asked about to find or factorize 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4. How we are going to solve this? Whose cube is 27? That is 3p whole cube minus 1 cube is, the cube of 1 is 1, and 216 is the cube of 6. So we are going to write it as 1 upon 6 whole cube, and write the rest of the terms as it is. Now look at first two terms. Write it as 3p minus 1 upon 6 and whole cube. This is going to be your answer. Any doubt? Now let us verify some results. We have to prove x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y and x square minus xy plus y square. We have to prove this. In order to prove this, let us take right hand side, that is equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. Take the first number of it, that is x, and multiply it with this bracket. You will get x square minus xy plus y square. Now write the sign that is in between the first bracket, that is plus here, and write the second term, that is y, and multiply this y with this bracket too. You will get x square minus xy plus y square. X into x square is x cube, x plus x into minus is going to be minus, x into x is x square, and y will be written as it is, plus x into y square is xy square. Here the sign of plus will appear. Y into x square you will get x square y into plus minus is going to be minus, x is going to be written as it is, y into y is y square, plus y into y square is y cube. Now look here, minus x square y plus x square y. Since both of the terms are same with opposite sign, so we are going to cut them. Look at here, xy square and minus xy square. Since both of these terms are equal but of opposite sign, so we are going to cut them as well. And you are being left with x cube plus y cube. The next part of it is quite similar as well. That is, you have to prove x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y and x square minus xy, plus xy and y square. How we are going to prove this? Take the right hand side again. Now here x minus y and the second term is x square plus xy plus y square. In first bracket, write x as the first term and it is going to be multiplied with the whole second bracket, that is x square plus xy plus y square. Write the sign in between the first bracket, that is minus, and write the second term, that is y, and this y is also going to be multiplied with the second bracket, that is x square plus xy plus y square. Now multiply this x throughout the bracket and this y throughout the bracket. X into x square is x cube plus x into x is x square and y is going to be written as it is, plus x into y square is xy square. Any doubt? Now minus, take this minus inside the bracket as well. Minus y into x square is going to be x square y minus x square y, minus plus is minus, x is going to be written as it is, y into y is y square, minus plus minus, y into y square is y cube. Look at here, x square y, but the sign in front of it is positive and negative, so you are going to cut this xy square, but the sign in front of them is of opposite sign, so we are also going to cut this, and you are being left with the answer x cube minus y cube, that is our LHS left hand side, and hence proved. Any doubt? Now the next question is that you have to factorize 27y cube plus 125z cube, that is equal to, now what is the cube root of 27, that is 3, and you have to write y cube, or you can say that whose cube is 27, that is 3, and write y as it is and its whole cube, plus whose cube is 125, that is 5z whole cube. Now you are going to apply the formula here, that is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So our answer is going to be 3y plus 5 by bracket on 3y whole square minus 3y into 5z plus b, that is 5z whole square. Now look here, write 3y plus 5z as it is, and it will be 3 square, that is 9, and y square minus 3 into 5 is 15, yz plus 5 square, that is 25, and z square. This is going to be our answer. Any doubt? Now let us solve the next example similar to it. That is, what if we have to find 64m cube minus 343n cube as well. So here, whose cube is 64? And you will say 4m whole cube, minus whose cube is 343, that is 7n whole cube. You are going to apply the formula a cube minus b cube here, that is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So apply it. Here our a is equal to 4m and our b is equal to 7m. So we are going to have 4m minus 7n bracket on 4m's whole square plus 4m into 7n plus 7n's whole square. So our answer is going to be 4m minus 7n and it is going to be 4 square is 16 m square plus 4 7s are 28 mn plus 7 square is 49 n square, and this is our final answer. Any doubt? The next question is to verify that our LHS is equal to RHS. The left hand side given to us is 3 cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 1 upon 2 bracket on x plus y plus z bracket on x minus y square plus y minus z square plus z minus x square. So we are going to prove this equal to this. So take the right hand side and write it as 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. Now solve the square inside it. Here we are going to apply the property of a minus b square, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 2xy. Then we are going to apply the property of a minus b square again, that is y square plus z square minus 2yz. Then apply the same property, then we have z square plus x square minus 2xz. Here you will get 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, and here you see x square plus x square is going to be 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy plus minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2xz equal to 1 upon 2 x plus y plus z, and here you can take the 2 as common, and you are being left with x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus xz. Any doubt? You can cut this 2 by this 2, and you have to multiply this x with this whole bracket, y with this whole bracket, and z with this whole bracket. So you will get, when multiplying this x with whole bracket, you will get x into x square is x cube plus x into y square is xy square plus x into z square is xz square, x into minus xy is minus x square y, x into minus yz is going to be minus xyz, and x with xz is going to be minus x square z. Now multiply this y with the whole bracket, you will get plus x square y plus x square y plus y cube plus yz square minus xy square minus y cube, not y cube, this is yz, not y square, yz, you are going to have y square z minus x, y and z. When multiplying this z with this bracket, you will get plus x square z plus y square z plus z cube minus xyz minus yz square minus xz square. Now look here, you can subtract all the values, and let us subtract it. Xy square, support xy square, here opposite sign, we are going to cut this. Xz square, here, not here, xz square, x square here, cut this. X square y and you are going to cut it with x square by x square by here. No, this is going to be cut out with this. This is going to be cut out with x square z. This is going to be cut out with x square. These two are going to be cut out, and you are being left with the simple three terms, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube and 1 xyz, 2 xyz, and sorry, this is not, this is xyz, and 3 xyz, that is minus 3 xyz, and this your left hand side. Any doubt? Now we are going to have one property of it, that is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy is equal to, here it is going to be 0. 1 by 2 into 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy, we are going to write it as x cube plus y cube plus z cube as 3xyz. Any doubt? This is quite the result that we want. We are going to solve some question on this, that is, what if we have to find the cube of minus 12 cube plus 7's cube plus 5's cube. Here this is x, this is y, and this is z. You are going to write, since x plus y plus z is equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 are 12, and minus 12 and plus 12 is 0. Therefore, we are going to apply the formula, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Write the value of x here, that is 3 into x is minus 12, y is 7, and z is 5. Any doubt? Multiply this, that is, you will get 3 into 12 is 36 minus 36, multiply 7 into 5 is 35. Multiply 36 with 35, you will get 30, 3 carry, 15, 3, 18, 180, and 3, 6, 18, 1 carry, 3, 3 is 9, 1, 0, 10, 0, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 6, 0 is our answer. Any doubt? Moving forward to question number 15 of your exercise 2.4, the question is, if you have given the area equal to 25 a square minus 35a plus 12, you have to find its length and breadth. How we are going to do so? Since you can see this as a quadratic equation, and we know that we can solve a quadratic equation by middle term split. So solve it. Whose square is 25? Let us solve with the example of middle term split. Multiply the first and second number, you will get 25 a square multiplied by 12. You will get 300 a square here. Since it is positive, you are going to have two cases, that is plus plus or minus minus. Since the middle term is of negative sign, so it is of case number second. You will get 25a square minus plus 12. Now you have to write the factor of 300 so that you will get minus 35 as the addition of two numbers. So as I can see, 300 is equal to 30 into 10, or 300 is equal to 15 into 20, or 300 is equal to anything else. I think that's enough. So add this two, you will get 40. Add this two, you will get 35. Since we want 35 here, so the first case is going to be cancelled out. So you can write it as 20a and 15a. Now pair first two terms and last two terms. You will find the common between them as 5a and being left with 5a minus 4. Here you can take the common 3 and being left with 5a minus 4. So your answer is going to be 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. Therefore, length will be equal to 5a minus 3 and breadth is going to be equal to 5a minus 4. Any doubt? The 16th question of your exercise 2.5 is, what if you have given the volume and you have to find the length, breadth and height of the given expression. That is, volume given to us is 3x square minus 12x. And you have to find length, breadth and height. How we are going to do so? Firstly, you know that volume given to us is 3x square minus 12x. Take whatever common between these two terms is, that is 3 into x, and you are being left with x minus 4. So you have three terms here, that is first, second and third. Now write it as length equal to 3, breadth is equal to x and height is equal to x minus 4. Any doubt? Let us solve another example of it as volume given to us is 12 ky square minus 8 ky and minus 20k. Firstly, take whatever common the here present is, that is 4k is common here, and you are being left with 3y square minus 2y minus 5k. Sorry, not 5k, only 5. Now write this 4k as it is and solve this term by middle term split. 3y square minus 5 is minus 15y square. Here we have two cases, that is plus minus or minus plus, because the answer is in negative here. So we need two numbers by whom if we multiply we get 15 and after subtraction you get minus 2. That is, which case is going to be minus plus. So 15 is 5 into 3 and after subtraction 5 minus 3 you will get 2. So you can write it as 3y square minus 5y plus 3y minus 5. Pair the first two terms and the last two terms. 4k. You can take common here y and you are being left with 3y minus 5. You cannot take anything common here, so the common term that is 1, 3y minus 5. We will get 4k. Here take this common, that is 3y minus 5, and you are being left with y plus 1. So this is going to be our length, this is going to be our breadth, and this is going to be our height. Any doubt?